Hello viewers, welcome to Young Man's Academy. Today's class is on profit and loss. Just as we considered in our previous class in the introduction to profit and loss, we defined basic terms. Today we will be considering those two problems on the board, and we will get the right solutions to this problem. Let's take problem 1. It says, what is the profit percent if a table bought for $65 is sold for $70? And question 2 says, Aaron buys a TV for $16. The transportation charges are $200 and the installation charges are $800. He then sells it to his friend for $15,300. Find the loss percent. So we'll take these problems one after the other. Considering problem 1, solution. We can see here that we are to find the profit percent. We are given that the table was bought for $65. So table bought for $65 implies that the cost price is $65. So cost price written as CP is $65. And then we are told that it's sold for $70. So selling price written as SP is $75. So very quickly, you know that our profit, to obtain profit, it has to be selling price minus cost price. Okay, so it is, this is $70, not $75. Thank you. So to get our profit, you know that profit is our total profit, or we just say profit, or simply profit, is selling price minus cost price, and that gives us that $70 minus $65, and this is simply $5. So this is our profit. Our profit here is $5, but we are asked to obtain the profit percent. So to get the profit percent, we know that profit percent is the total profit, or simply total profit by the cost price, over the cost price by 100. So we'll take this and we'll simply, I have to rub off this part, so that we have the profit percent is total profit there is $5. 5 over the cost price is 65. So $65 by 100. So we have this to be 7.7%. 7.7%. So our profit percent for problem 1 is 7.7%. So we'll quickly consider problem 2. So in problem 2, we have that Aaron buys a TV for $16,000. The transportation charges are $200 and the installation charges are $800. He then sells it to his friend for $15,300. Find the loss percent. We have to obtain the loss percent here, but you will observe that problem number 2 is different from problem number 1. It entails some other expenses different from problem number 1. Firstly, you can see that the cost price, your cost price here is $16,000. That's the amount he bought the TV. The transportation charges. Now we are expected to know that transportation charges and any other charge in purchasing an article, an item, is always being added to the cost price. We call them overheads. So in this case, we just simply write our overheads. Our overheads include the transportation charges, and the installation, in this case, installation charges, and that is the amount there, $200 plus $800. That gives us we have that to be $1,000. Okay, we have $1,000 for that. So our overheads will be added to our cost price. So that's our cost price, the total cost price. Our cost price will now be $16,000 plus the overhead, which is $1,000, and that is simply $17,000. $17,000. Okay, so this is our cost price now, the new cost price. We are told that he then sells it to his friend for $15,300. So that is the selling price. Selling price is $15,300. That's our selling price. So we have to find the loss percent. We can easily see that our cost price is more than the selling price here now. Means he ran at loss. So that now we get our loss at first, and loss is simply your cost price minus your selling price, which means $17,000 minus our $15,300. The 17,000 minus that. So, and that simply gives us that's $1,700. Yes, so our loss is $1,700. Now we have to find the loss percent. To obtain the loss percent, we'll simply have to say our loss, applying the formula. Our loss percent is simply the total loss by the cost price times 100. So total loss is 1,700. $1,700 over the cost price is $17,000 by 100. So here we have this to simply give us 10%. So we have 10% loss because this is 1/10. 10 in 100 is 10. So that's 100%. So this is how to tackle problems like this under profit and loss. Watch out for the next video. Thank you.